Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making a mini aloe vera, and these are the materials you will need: a 100% acrylic yarn size 3.5 and 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. You will start by doing a magic ring, make a chain and do a 12 single crochet inside the ring. And once you have 12 single crochet, pull the tail of the yarn, and then for round 2 to 6 do a single crochet spiral for 5 times. And this is what it looked like after the end of the round. Do a chain of 15 and mark your first chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15, and then slip stitch at the back bump chain, second chain from the hook. Until to the last chain of the row. And then here, and then slip stitch in the next 2 chain here, 1 and 2 slip stitch, and then chain of 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then slip stitch second chain from the hook, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and then slip stitch in the next 2 chain, 1 2, and then chain of 13, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13, and then slip stitch second chain from the hook until to the last chain of the row. Then slip stitch the next 2 chain and repeat 4 5 and 6. And we're back to the beginning of the round. In this stitch marker, and in the following we will do a 7 double crochet. This is 1, and then in the next double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4 5 6 and 7, and then 6 half double crochet in the next following chain, and then do a single crochet, and then chain and then do a single crochet on the other side here. Half double crochet 6 and then 7 double crochet. And then again slip stitch in the next 2 chain, and then in the next we will do a 2 double crochet, 2, and then in the next 2 chain 2 half double crochet, and then single crochet, and then make a chain, and then repeat on the other side. Half double crochet, 1, half double crochet, 2, and then 2 double crochet, 1 and 2 double crochet, and then slip stitch in the next 2 chain and repeat until you will reach to the last leaf, and then slip stitch, and then cut the yarn and hide inside the stitches. And if you want to have the bigger size of this pattern, you can check in my community post. I upload a picture of the pattern for a bigger pat. And this is all for the tutorial. If you have any question, let me know. And I'm sure this is very cute aloe vera or Sansevieria for your decoration. And thank you so much for watching, and see you again next time.